5 ways to make a woman want to have sex with you. That's very interesting. Now, sexual attraction is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that varies from person to person. However, there are certain strategies and behaviors that can increase the chances of a woman wanting to engage in sexual activity with you. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you 5 ways to make a woman want to have sex with you. Taking into the consideration the importance of communication, the trust, respect, and confidence, and respect for boundaries. Well, my name is Odopahine, here is Odopahine TV, and if in case today is the first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more relationship content like this. Number 1 is communication. Now, effective communication is essential in every relationship. Particularly, it is very important when it comes to sexual attraction. Establishing open lines of communication with women can help you understand her preferences, desires, and boundaries by actively listening and genuinely engaging in a conversation. You can build trust and rapport, which are crucial for creating a comfortable and enjoyable sexual experience. Now, be attentive when it comes to communication. Be attentive, pay attention to what a woman is saying and respond thoughtfully to her comments and questions. Avoid interrupting or dominating the conversation. Allow her to speak, allow her ask open-ended questions. Encourage her to share her thoughts and feelings by asking open-ended questions that requires more than a simple yes or no answer. Now, show empathy. Demonstrate that you care about her experiences and feelings by expressing empathy and understanding. Be honest about your own desires, your interests, and your boundaries. This will help establish trust and create more authentic connections. Now, trust is also a fundamental component of any successful relationship, and it is particularly important when it comes to sexual attraction. Building trust with a woman can increase her desire to have sex with you. Yes, you heard me right, as she will feel safe and comfortable with you. And be reliable, and also be reliable. Show her that you can be counted on by consistently whenever she needs you, following through on your promises and commitment. Demonstrate this. Now, demonstrate honesty. Be honest in your interactions and avoid manipulation and deception. Be supportive. Offer emotional support and encouragement, especially during difficult times or hard times. Now, respect her boundaries. Respect her personal boundaries and be mindful of her needs and feelings. Now, 3, let's look at the confidence level. Now, confidence is also an attractive quality that can make a woman more likely to want to have sex with you. Confidence demonstrates that you value yourself and are comfortable in your own skin, which can be a turn on for many women. Men, also maintain a good hygiene. Keep yourself clean and well groomed, as this shows that you care about your appearance and personal hygiene, and also dress well. Choose clothing that flatters your body and reflects your personal style. Speak with confidence. Once again, speak with confidence. Use confident body language and maintain eye contact when speaking to her. Be assertive. Show her that you are more comfortable making decisions and taking control in a group setting. Yes. Now, respect for boundaries. Respect for boundaries. Now, respecting a woman's boundaries is essential for creating a safe and enjoyable sexual experience. By demonstrating that you respect her physical and emotional limits, you can increase her desire to have sex with you. Now, obtain consent. Always obtain explicit consent before engaging in any sexual activity. Be sensitive to her needs. Pay attention to her body language and verbal cues to ensure that she is comfortable and enjoying the experience. Now, communicate your boundaries clearly. Communicate your own boundaries and limits and respect hers too. Treat her with a respect and avoid objectifying or demeaning language. 5. Now, create emotional connection. An emotional connection can be a powerful aphrodisiac, increasing a woman's desire to have sex with you. By creating an emotional bond, you can foster a sense of intimacy and trust that can make her more likely to want to engage in sexual activities. Now, be a good listener. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and her experiences. Share your own experiences too. Open up about your own feelings and your desires and experiences, creating a sense of vulnerability and connection. Now, be kind and compassionate. Show her kindness, compassion, respect, and also be a man of your words. Try implementing almost everything that I have highlighted in this video is guaranteed. And trust me, every woman will want to have sex with you. Finally, this is how I draw the curtains. My name, once again, is Odopahene. And if today is the first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more relationship content like this. I'll see you in my next video.